Hello. Today, let's talk about two devices. One brand new, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro, versus, in comparison video, the Samsung Galaxy S22. We have a 3-year gap. Is the upgrade really worth it? We will find out, isn't it? Because 3 years technology leap. Is it still the S22 worth considering? Or has the 70 Pro absolute gone of wild in every way? Let's start with design and display. The S22 was a compact and is a compact and premium device back in 2022. With its 6.1-inch AMOLED and the clean edges, it looks light and very manageable, of course. But now it comes. The iPhone 17 Pro has grown slightly to 6.3 inches, but the difference are in the details. It features an even better OLED display with extremely thin bezels and an insane peak brightness of up to 3000 nits outdoor. The S22 is bright, but the iPhone 17 Pro is in a different league on the way, especially in direct sunlight. And of course, USB-C are possible now on both because Apple get it now. The USB-C is on the market, the leading thing. And one is better on the iPhone, the Wi-Fi 7 support. The S22, it gets only Wi-Fi 6. Let's go to performance and, of course, operation mode. The operation system, of course. This is where I can see the biggest jump, of course. The S22 with the Exynon 2200 or the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 was top tier back then, but it's 3 years old, baby. Inside the iPhone 17 Pro is the new Apple A19 Pro chip. This means not only significantly higher CPU and GPU performance, but also entering a new AI capabilities driven by improved neural engine. Yeah, we are talking here about a performance lead that can easily exceed 50% in the benchmarks. The other major point is, of course, the operation system. iOS versus the latest Android. If you love Android and its customization, stick with the S22. If you prefer a seamless Apple world, Face ID, and the long-lasting iOS ecosystem, let's have a check for the iPhone Pro 17. Camera, baby. Both have a triple camera setup. The S22 have a 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 10-megapixel telephoto with 3-side optical zoom. Absolutely solid, especially during the day. The iPhone 17 Pro takes a significant step forward with its new 48-megapixel Pro Fusion system and improved sensors. All 3 lenses are high resolution and 4 times optical zoom. The telephoto zoom is more flexible, and night mode processing a much faster job thanks to the A90 Pro. But the game changer, of course, the video. Apple is traditionally number 1 there, and the 17 Pro will further widen the gap with the S22 due to new video features and audio quality, because there is spectacular audio too. The S22 with battery and charging had the best battery life with its 3,700 mAh and 25-watt charging, as it was designed to be compact. We get through the day, but that's about it. Yeah. The iPhone 17 Pro expected the nice points that there is a larger battery built in, and of course it will gives you an all day long use of your device with one recharge of the battery. Let's go to the most important point: the price. The iPhone 17 Pro starts around $1,300. Wow, yeah. You can get the S22 as a used device for under $200. Oh yeah. That means, is the upgrade worth it? If you have the budget and want the performance, the best video camera, the brighter display, and the 3 up to 4 years more software support, yes, of course, the iPhone 17 Pro is the clearer deal for you. More modern and nice device. But if you simply need a compact, top quality 120 Hz smartphone with Android that is perfectly adapt to the social media, messages, and modern gaming, the S22 at its current used price is an unbeatable deal for you. So, which are you going to choose, or which you choose before? Let me know there's any comment, please, and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. That's on.